Hello and welcome. This guide will walk you through the process of entering custom shipping instructions in ChartParts.com. If you haven't already, go ahead and click the shopping cart icon and go to your cart. Proceed by clicking on Continue Checkout. This will take you to the part where you can add your custom shipping information. Click the pencil to update your shipping method. Do you need this overnighted? Be sure to select Next Day Air on your carrier or ours. Select LTL Export, use your carrier option. Enter preferred carrier, but remember to keep it short because characters in this box are limited. Make sure to apply to update the changes and save them to your order. As always in the checkout process, enter your PO or select None if you're paying with credit card or points. Congratulations, you've updated your custom shipping instructions. Proceed to the payment section by clicking Continue to Payment. Thanks for joining us to learn about custom shipping instructions on ChartParts.com. Thank you for your business and your support from the entire Chart Industries team.